All right, I have a hilarious video for you today. I'm kind of a cheapskate, very intentional about how much money I'm spending on a monthly basis. And one way to cut costs is to, and I think maybe to just produce less waste, is to not use full dryer sheets for a load of laundry. I have found in my experience, not that I'm a laundry person necessarily, but I do my own laundry, my kids' laundry regularly. My wife won't let me touch hers. But I found that it's a bit overkill to use a full dryer sheet for each load. If you, and I do have a preference, I suppose, and I'll put links down below in the description as I always do. But I have found that if you cut them into halves or quarters or thirds, one of those options, depending on your laundry load size, you're going to get equal effects. And so, I don't know what the environmental impact is on dryer sheets, if the more we use, the worse the environment is, or if it doesn't really matter, if it's all, going into the water or the waste system or however that works. I don't know. But kind of my test here is doing not a super full, but not a small load, and just putting in about a third to a quarter of a full dryer sheet. And the big question is, will that eliminate static as opposed to a full dryer sheet? And the answer is absolutely yes. And you can experiment a little bit to see what works well for you. And, dryer sheets are pretty affordable, but still, nonetheless, one box will now last you 2 to 4 times longer than it usually does. So that is my tip. I'm sticking to it. So there we go. Static free. Hopefully this has helped you out. Click that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do lots of DIY projects around the house and give you some practical tips, things like that. See you in my next video.